So here I will show you how to create a form by using form command. So these are my tables that I have already created. So whatever the table or which table you want to create a form, you just click on that table. So I have clicked on student info table. After clicking on student information table, you go to create option, create tab. Then in this forms group, see here, in these forms groups you can see different options: form, split form, multiple items. When you click on more forms, you can see more form wizard, data sheet, model, dialog, pivot table, then form design. So these are the different ways you can create a form. So I will show you how to create a form by using form command. So first you click on the table, then you go to form, click here. Now see, the first record you can see here, this is your form structure, and this is my layout view. This is the running view. You can see the different views. See, I already told you that there are 3 views in a form. You can see the 3 views here in the view option. So click here, see form view, layout view and design view. By default always you can see the layout view, and in layout view you cannot enter the data. So for entering the data, first you go to here, see here, new blank record. You click here. Now this is blank. Now see, you cannot enter any record here. So first next you go to view option, then click on form view. Okay, now you enter admin number. Say I have entered 1367. Student name, say new student name, say Kalpana. Then gender, say female. Date of birth, any date of birth you can enter here. Okay, address, say Guwahati only, say Guwahati. Then contact number, say. Okay, so done. After entering the value, now you go to records and click here refresh all. Okay, and again you now click here student info. Now see, I have entered this record. This is my new record, isn't it? So when you refresh all, click on refresh all, then the new data entry will be automatically updated in the table. Okay, after entering the value, you save it. You know, only you directly click here, or you can directly click here, or whenever you click close here, your form will be. Do you want to change the design form? Yes. Okay, now this is your form. So I keep the form name as student info. Okay, so see, this is your students info. Now see, what are the differences between these 3 views? See, in form view we can enter the data, layout view is the running data. You can change the layout of the form. How? You can give the logo. This is by default, you can always see. You can change the logo. Say I want to change the logo, so click here, then say the desktop, say I have one picture, so okay, see, change it. Then say I want to change the title also. Say this is my student information table. Okay, so this is also done. Date and time also you can give. Say 9, whatever date and time you want to give, directly you can give it. Say today is I have recorded on 19th August. So whatever the format you want, you can give. See here, this is my date and time. So you can change the color also, you can change the format also, everything you can change in the layout view. And design view, see, in design view you have three options, three parts. First one is your form header. This is my header. See, in the header you can see logo, title and date and time, whatever you want to give in the header part you can give. Then this is my detailed. You can change the structure by clicking. So this is customized way of presenting the data. You can change the structure. And lastly, this is your form footer. In the footer I have not included any information, so this is blank. If you enter, say if you enter the logo and at the last, then you can see in the footer part. So this way you can change the layout, you can change the layout by using design view. But for entering the data, always you have to go to the form view. So after changing this, you have to save it. So you go here and save it directly. You can save here, or sometimes this save will not work because this is for the whole database. So you can directly save from here also. Whenever you click here, that will be automatically saved. Okay, because I have already already clicked on save button, so that is saved. So whenever you click here, see, this is the new form design. Okay, so in a form you can see the records, you can see the information one at a time only. You can go to the next record. See, I have total, this is the first record, 1 of 7. In the below you can see this is my navigation pen. Okay, so record 1 of 7, number 1 record. This is 2 of 7, 3 of 7, 4 of 7, 5 of 7. So this way you can check the records, or directly you can go to the last, or directly you can go to the first record by clicking here. And if you want to enter new record, you click here, new blank record, and go to the form view. Okay.